First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To delete duplicate photos and mobile, run the software. Connect your Android mobile phone to your computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your mobile phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your mobile phone to make sure the connection is established. The software will install the Android version of iReaShare Android Manager on your Android device. After successfully connecting, all the data on your mobile phone will be displayed by categories in the interface. To delete duplicate photos in your mobile phone, click Photos Library to view the duplicate photos saved in each library. Tick off the duplicate photos you want to delete. If you are not sure about the duplicate photos, you can scroll down to confirm. Click Delete and click OK to confirm the deletion. Once finished, click OK.